and today we are making the ultimate cookie lover's dream come true with my cookie crazy cupcakes. I seriously had the best time creating these cupcakes. They transform all of my favorite cookies, chocolate chip, Oreo, and Circus Animal cookies for like the ultimate dessert ever. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button so you're the first to see my all new videos. These cupcakes would seriously be the perfect dessert to bring to any party or occasion. How could you not smile if somebody handed you one of these cupcakes? Like, come on. All right, so we start with the cupcakes, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe down below, or you can get it on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So first we're gonna line our cupcake pan with baking cups and place a whole entire Oreo cookie at the bottom of each baking cup. Then for the cupcakes, we're just gonna mix together some cake flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt on low speed for about 20 seconds to get it all incorporated. Then we're gonna add our softened butter and vegetable oil and mix that in for about 1 to 2 minutes to coat the flour until the mixture kind of looks like wet sand. Then for our wet ingredients, in a small bowl, we're just gonna add an egg yolk, some vanilla extract, a little bit of butter extract, and this is what's gonna make the cupcakes nice and buttery to taste just like that Circus Animal cookie. And last, some sour cream, and just whisk this together until it's nice and smooth. Then we're slowly gonna add the wet mixture on low speed into our mixing bowl and just give a nice little scrape down to the bottom and the sides of the bowl. Then you can increase to medium speed and beat it for about 1 minute until the batter is nice and smooth. Okay, now comes the fun part. We add the sprinkles, and we're using the nonpareils sprinkles instead of the regular jimmies I use in my regular funfetti cupcakes so they can match the Circus Animal cookies. But the problem is these bleed really easily, so the trick is just fold them in really gently just a few times so they don't turn into like a whole blended rainbow mess of batter. Then just distribute the batter between the baking cups, filling about 3/4 of the way full. And I like to add a few more sprinkles on top to make them look nice and pretty and really pop. Now we're just gonna pop these in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 16 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, so while those are baking, we can get started on the edible cookie dough filling and the cookies and cream frosting. And there's no raw egg in this cookie dough, and we're gonna be heat treating the flour so it's safe to eat. So just take your flour in a microwave-safe bowl, and we're just gonna heat it in 30-second intervals for about 1 to 2 minutes until it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That way when we add it to our recipe, it'll be totally safe to eat raw. Then in a mixing bowl, beat together the butter and brown sugar on medium speed until it's light and fluffy for about 3 minutes. Next, beat in some vanilla extract, salt, and sweetened condensed milk. Once that's all in there, we're gonna beat in the flour mixture until it's nice and combined. And last, we're just gonna fold in some mini chocolate chips. Then just scoop about a teaspoon of dough and roll it into 12 little balls. Then we're just gonna set these aside and use them to fill our cupcakes with. So to make this frosting taste just like the center of an Oreo cookie, instead of using all butter like I normally do in my buttercream frosting, we're gonna do a combo of vegetable shortening and butter to give it that really authentic cookies and cream flavor. So just beat together the butter and shortening on medium-high speed until it's light and creamy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're gonna beat in the vanilla and salt. Next, add the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time, starting on low speed and increasing to medium until it's fully incorporated. Then we're gonna add our heavy cream 1 tablespoon at a time until it's nice and smooth. Go ahead and scrape down the bottom of the sides of the bowl. Then you're just gonna crush up 6 Oreos. I did this in a food processor, but you can just crush them up in a plastic bag if you like, and then go ahead and fold them right into the frosting. All right, our cupcakes should be done, so let's go get them out of the oven. Oh my gosh, you guys, a rainbow party in a cupcake pan. These turned out so much fun. Okay, now let's let them cool and we can put it all together. So once the cupcakes are fully cool, just go ahead and cut a small piece out of the top of each cupcake. I use an apple core because it makes it really easy to do. And then just go ahead and push in your little cookie dough balls. Then go ahead and pipe on a nice big swirl of our cookies and cream frosting and add some fun rainbow sprinkles on top to make it extra festive. Then go ahead and add the cookies right on top. I did a little quarter piece of an Oreo cookie, a chocolate chip cookie, and a pink Circus Animal cookie. All right, the best part, let's break into one of these. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at lindsayandbakes, or share this video with a friend who is crazy for cookies and would love these cupcakes. Oh my gosh, look at that chocolate chip stuffed cookie dough in the center. And you guys, that Oreo on the bottom, how cool is that? I mean, you guys, come on, is this not like the coolest creation ever? I love all the layers of the Oreo and the cake and that cookie dough in the center and the cookies and cream frosting, and then like all the cookies on top. And if you guys love this recipe, you're gonna love my giant Funfetti cake batter chocolate chip cookie or my Funfetti cookie dough cupcakes. So be sure to check out those videos too. So there you have my cookie crazy cupcakes. Thanks so much for watching and commenting. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love. And I'll see you right here next time. Bye. I don't even know if you guys are ready for this one. Are you ready? This week's YouTube video, cookie crazy cupcakes. You guys, Oreo, cookie dough, circus animal, cupcakes. Crazy!